Welcome back to HR Unscripted, where we go beyond roles, targets, and deadlines. How do you define belonging in the workplace?
Connected you with your colleagues. And the way my colleagues involve me in every task and take my advice.
Matters so much in a workplace. Oh, great. That's wonderful, Pranjali. So now tell me that now that you felt belonging in different very minor activity that your colleagues are doing with you, like sitting, helping you out with your stretch goals, helping you remind that you have a meeting to attend, asking that how the meeting went, what was the pointers discussed, including in your of the biggest decision of making the MIS, right? So that's all a very minor thing that but that makes you feel belonging in the workplace and you felt included in everyone's decisions, right? So now that you have a felt belongingness, so how do you try to create it for others? Any tips
So,
for my listener?
yes, I make a new point to greet new team members personally and include them in the casual conversation. So, and I can include them in the lunch also. So where we can do the casual conversations.
Mhm. Wonderful. Okay. So tell me, have you ever spotted someone who seemed unsure or left out, and you reached out to them?
Yes, in my previous office, there is a girl, so she feel left out, and sometimes she was quiet in meetings, but she had a lot of great ideas and the things. But I don't know what stopped her to share the ideas. So I reached out to her and tell her that you have to speak and involve in the task and you can share something. So
So that's how that minor thing that it might be that she felt very good when you asked her, and why don't you reached out to her when she's not sharing, right? So I think that might had helped her sharing her ideas, right? So that's the minute things to my viewers that you can do to make everybody feel that oh, their views, their ideas too matter in an organization. So thank you so much for sharing that, Pranjali. Now tell me that's now let's talk about that. What's one thing you believe every workplace should start doing to help people feel they belong?
so I think every workplace start the um, some time for the casual conversations with the colleagues. So it helps them to feel the belonging.
So I think the organization should start doing and reaching out to the people and do very little things to make them
Mm.
feel that sense of belongingness in the organization with the little things that including them in a very short activities or having a chit chat that how they're feeling, having a mood check-ins with them. So there are a lot of things that an organization can start, and that's a very minute thing that a people can do, right? And for me, I think the sense of that you belonged here will come when the team not only ask about the word that let's say that if I come only to you, Francis, that hey, why you have not completed the task, but instead let's say that if you need any help or maybe the maybe your team member that who can have a always check in with you that why Pranji it's not happening, is there anything that's going wrong and like that. So this minute thing can really help people feeling getting that feeling of belongingness. Okay, so now tell me that what would you say to someone who might not feel that sense of belonging yet in their team?
So I want to tell them, don't afraid of anyone because everybody who is working spend their almost 70% time at their workplace. So it is necessary to build a some casual relationships also. So you have to spend lot of time there. So please speak up and involve in the conversations.
That's great. Yes. So, do you think that it is okay to ask for it? That, oh, I want a sense of belongingness here. I want to be feel that belonging, that I belong here, or even talk about it out loud. Tell me.
Yes, is it okay to speak about this? Because whenever we speak or talk about it, so we feel a more sense of belonging and we create a more healthier relationship with our colleagues. So we have to talk about it and
Wonderful. So I think to the all of my viewers, kindly saying that please reach out to your colleague first and ask that, oh, I'm not feeling good, and tell that I'm not feeling good. Please include me in the all of the things, right? So that's a one way to definitely ask, because it's not always your team responsibility, your manager responsibility. It's your responsibility to reach out to the people, right? So that's wonderful. So now, Pranjali, that's a very feeling that you might have not felt like you are belonging here. So tell me that what would you say to your day one self? You, if you could go back and whisper something.
so uh, I said to myself, you have to involve and you have to speak about it. It is not necessary that you are making the bad impression. Just speak about it if you want to tell anything to anyone.
Yes, because when you don't speak up, you are not going to get also in, because till the time you will not ask for it, you will not get it. So, Pranji, thank you so much for sharing your story with so much warmth and honesty that what you felt, right? So, because sometimes we think belonging is created in onboarding programs or team offsites, right? Like it's an HR duty that HR will always make a list of activities that a person should be doing. But no, I think it starts from you also, that how you are making yourself belong here. That are you also taking a step here, or only you expect it from the employer? So definitely employer has its own duties, but employee too has their own duty. So please reach out to your colleague and the team member about and ask them that how are they doing too. Instead of always listening that what how I am doing, also start asking others that how they are doing. So that's how that we will actually build in everyday moments, and that there we will start the belongingness from day one, because that is a shared laugh, a kind word, and a listening ear. So to everyone's listening, what's one thing that you can do this week to help someone feel like they matter? So for with that, me and Pranjali signing off for today, and that's it for the episode of HR Unscripted. Until next time, show up, reach out, and remember, people don't need perfect teams; they need kind ones. So if you like our conversation, please hit the like, subscribe, and share button. Till then, bye bye. Thank you, Pranjali, for joining in again.
Bye.